Hey, get out of that. Hey, get your wrist. Hey, take your other arm, clear your wrist. Hey, break the lock. You gotta break the lock. Break the lock. Work on the lock. Break the lock. Break the lock. Hey, hands to the lock. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Augustus, work up. Work up, work up. Hey, hustle center, Augustus. Augustus, hey, we gotta work. We gotta work. Hey, he's wrestling at a different pace right now. We got to work. Go, go, go. Hey, that wasn't a move. Get your wrist back. Get your wrist back. Get your wrist. There you go. Let's go.
You're out.
Go. Hey, we got to work up. Watch the half coming on your right. Watch the half on your right. Come up, come up, come up. Hey, we got to scramble and grab a leg. Got to scramble and grab a leg. Hey, at some point we gotta wrestle. Hey, Augustus, you gotta get your head off the mat. Hey, get your ankle back. We went over this. Get your ankle back. Hey, he's high. He's high. Head hunt. Hey. Come over. Hey, Augustus, get him off your neck. Hey, we got to scramble. Get your leg out. Keep moving. Hustle center. Hey, when that leg come in, we got to throw him to the hip immediately. Oh, Mr. Rap, the score. 13. Let's go. Hey, Augustus, we got to move, man. Get your head off the mat. Head off the mat.
You're out.
Augustus, you're out. No. Come, hey. Get back to your stomach. Get back to your stomach. Get back to your stomach.